Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 5 Mark III, and today I will show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, you want to hold the power key. Once that brings up the boot options, hold power off. This in turn will change it into reboot to safe mode, so confirm it by tapping on OK and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And you can see we are now in safe mode. Now in this mode only the pre-installed apps will function. Anything that I have installed yourself will basically not be able to start at all, neither by you nor the device itself. So if you're trying to open up some kind of app that you downloaded, that is basically why it can't open. Once you're done with this mode, to leave it, all you need to do is hold the power key and then select restart. So you just stop right here and it will boot you back up into normal mode. But that is how you boot into safe mode, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.